Hey, what's going on, you guys? Southern Smoke Boss. I've been getting a lot of requests saying that I should make some sweet potato pies. So today, I'm going to make some sweet potato pies. First, I'm going to start off by boiling my sweet potatoes for about 2 hours. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut them on and just let them boil till they get nice and soft. You can stick a fork through it. Stay tuned. Yeah, you guys, so it's been 2 hours. We don't had our sweet potatoes on boiling. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick a knife in here just to see. Look, and that's exactly how you want it to go, straight through there like that. No force or nothing. So you guys just stay tuned. I'm gonna drain the water off these and I'm gonna let them cool for about an hour. Then we'll start peeling the skin off them. Okay, our sweet potatoes have finally cooled off. So now we're gonna go ahead and peel the peeling off them. You see how easy that come off now? I don't finish peeling the peeling off. So I do not have a KitchenAid, so I'm gonna be using a hand mixer. And we wanna try to get these sweet potatoes blend up nice and smooth. All right, so now we got the sweet potatoes pretty smoothed out. We're gonna go ahead and add in our ingredients. So first I'm gonna start off by adding 3 eggs. Now this is just for the recipe that I have. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. I'll show you guys what that looks like. This is the ground nutmeg that I added in. So you do not want to add too much ground nutmeg because you do not want it to get too silky. The nutmeg can make it really silky. So I'm gonna be adding in a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. So this is the ground cinnamon, you see? And then I got 1 whole cup of sugar, just white sugar. Here I have some pure vanilla extract. I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. This is just for the small recipe that I'm doing. You can just double that off by how much you would do. And then I'm gonna add a 1/2 cup of canned milk. And let's blend this up in there. Okay, so stay tuned for this, you guys. I'm gonna go grab my pie crusts and show them to you guys, and then I'm gonna turn my oven on 350. So this is just I just got the Great Value traditional pie crust. I'm not gonna like make my own pie crust or anything. So I'll show y'all how it look if you don't know. So it comes 2 in a pack, and they just come just like that, frozen. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the oven for about 15 minutes before we put in the filling, so it can get that nice, it can get its nice form and it doesn't break soon that the sweet potato filling hits it. So just stay tuned. Let me go put these in the oven, okay? Got them in the oven. We're gonna let them bake for 15 minutes in the oven on 350 degrees. Okay, our pie crusts have cooked for the 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Place it over here. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing for the second one. Okay, well now we're gonna bake them on 350 for 75 minutes. Hey, what's up? Thank you guys for being patient. Hey, we're finally back and we have took the pie out of the oven. Since the last time you seen the pie, man, it's looking amazing. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and dig in and get this nice slice of pie. It's gonna be amazing. Okay, now that I have the pie cut, I'm gonna top it with some vanilla ice cream. It don't get no better than this. Check that out right there. So if you have made it this far in the video, leave a comment below saying giveaway. So I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in and checking out this video today. This amazing sweet potato pie I'm about to dig into. Thanks for tuning in. Peace out.